In this video, we're going to take a look at how to zoom some different features under our zoom key. So to do that, we're going to first of all actually put something in our y equals that we want to take a closer look at. So let's look at something like x squared, take away x, add 3. Let's take a look at that graph. And say we wanted to zoom in, maybe we wanted to zoom in a large area right here, maybe kind of trying to decide maybe where this parabola is crossing, and we wanted a little closer look. So if we go into the zoom button, we've got something called a zoom box. So I'm going to select number 1, and when we do that, as we move, see this little spider that's kind of moving along on our screen. What we're going to do with that is we're going to kind of treat it like a little post, and it's going to be one of the corners of our box. So we're going to go up here and we're going to press enter somewhere, and then we're going to kind of move and open up an area that we're going to zoom in on. So I'm going to go over and I'm going to go down, and as you can see, I'm kind of creating a little box here that I'm going to zoom in on that whole area. So if I press enter after I do that, you can see that I have a much closer view. Also under zoom, there's a zoom in and a zoom out. So the way those work, so if I go down and maybe select number 3, let's select number 3 and zoom out. So there you also have a little spider that's kind of moving around on the screen. And what you want to do with that is you want to get it close to the place that you would like to kind of be the center of your zoom out. And once you get it there, you press enter, and it'll back out of there. In the same way, if you use the zoom in, so rather than forming a box, what we do when we have zoom in going on, we still have a little spider. So we want to zoom in right close to where that's intersecting. We just get that little spider close to that place that we want to zoom in at. So I'm putting it kind of right on the y-axis there where the two cross and pressing enter. So that's in the zoom feature. If you want to get back after you've zoomed in or out or boxed and zoomed in, you can always go back to a standard window by selecting number 6. Number 6 gets you back to a 10 by 10, and that is basically the first 3 buttons under zoom: the zoom box, the zoom in, and the zoom out.